Hello, I am Rosa from CSP Group, and I am very glad to introduce our company today. Our company is a professional manufacturer and total solution provider of fully automated production lines for flat plate collectors. We have been engaged in this industry for more than 30 years and have done many successful projects in more than 20 countries and regions all over the world. Our company can provide a full set of services from product design, equipment supply, installation and commissioning, raw material procurement, production technology management, and so on. For the requirements of different countries and regions, the product design style is also different, such as Europe, Turkey, Brazil, and so on. We hope that we can help you to create a world-class automated production plant for flat plate collectors, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. Thank you.